Every second that passes, someone is making money online. The real question is, why isn't that someone you? Maybe you've been told you need a fancy degree. Maybe you think the online space is too saturated. Or maybe you've just been waiting for the perfect opportunity. Well, let me tell you, waiting is the biggest wealth killer of all. By the time you finish this video, you'll have a crystal clear roadmap to making $10,000 per month online without a degree, even if you're starting from zero. And if you think this is just another get-rich-quick video, stick around. You're about to be shocked. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Why do so many people struggle to make money online? The answer is simple. They chase trends instead of building systems. They jump from one side hustle to the next, hoping for overnight success. And when it doesn't happen, they quit. But the reality? Making $10,000 a month is not about luck. It's about strategy. It's about leveraging the right skills and business models that work, even in 2025. We're not talking about stuffing envelopes or answering sketchy surveys. We're talking about real strategies that can build long-term wealth. Let's break them down. Number 1, high-ticket freelancing. Forget the $5 gigs on Fiverr. High-ticket freelancing is the real game changer. If you can write persuasive sales pages, create scroll-stopping videos, or manage paid ads profitably, businesses will gladly pay you $2,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 per client. The best part? You don't need a degree, just proof of results. And if you don't have experience, start by offering free work to build a killer portfolio. Number 2, affiliate marketing. This one's for the smart marketers. Imagine making money without creating a product, handling customer service, or dealing with refunds. That's affiliate marketing. You promote high-ticket products, software, coaching programs, or premium services, and earn commissions as high as 50%. And no, you don't need a massive audience, just a niche, a strategy, and consistency. Number 3, content creation. Now let's talk content. If you can entertain, educate, or inspire, there's money to be made. YouTube, TikTok, and blogs are not just social platforms, they're cash machines. But here's the kicker. The biggest mistake people make? They wait until they go viral to monetize. Wrong move. Start with ad revenue, add affiliate links, and later, launch your own digital products. This is how creators turn hobbies into million-dollar businesses. Number 4, e-commerce and print on demand. E-commerce in 2025? Still booming, but not all models are created equal. Forget inventory and warehouses. Print on demand lets you sell custom-designed products without touching a single box. You create the design, a supplier prints and ships it, and you collect the profits. And with AI tools, you don't even need to be a designer. Number 5, AI-powered services. This one's the secret weapon. If you can leverage AI to solve real business problems, like automating customer service, improving ad targeting, or writing high-converting copy, you can command insane fees. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for efficiency, and AI is your golden ticket. Number 6, digital assets. Another overlooked opportunity? Digital assets. Websites, automated dropshipping stores, or pre-built content platforms can become passive income streams. Build, scale, and either keep or flip them for huge payouts. The key is automation. Set up once, profit long-term. Number 7, remote consulting. Remote consulting is an untapped goldmine. Businesses are desperate for help with marketing, automation, and digital presence. If you have expertise in anything, social media, branding, or productivity, start offering high-ticket consulting. And the best part? You can do it from anywhere in the world. Number 8, online courses and coaching. Online courses and coaching? Another massive income source. People are willing to pay for knowledge. Package your expertise into digital courses, host live coaching sessions, and build a community. Even with just a few students per month, you can generate 5 figures with ease. Number 9, investing. Finally, investing. Once you start making money, don't just spend it, multiply it. Stocks, crypto, and REITs can turn your active income into generational wealth. The sooner you start, the faster your money grows. The goal isn't just $10,000 a month, it's financial freedom. Here's the hard truth. The window of opportunity won't stay open forever. Every day you wait, someone else is learning these skills, launching their business, and taking the income you could be making. So what's it going to be? Another year of what ifs? Or are you ready to take control? And if you really want to build wealth, there's one principle you must understand: the power of compounding. It's the difference between struggling and becoming financially free in record time.